50-year-old woman dies from injuries in a hit and run in Christiana, Manchester. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Christiana police in Manchester are investigating the death of a 50-year-old woman who died from injuries sustained in a hit and run 5 days ago. The deceased has been identified as Rubena Hall of Chudleigh district. Reports are that at around 4 a.m., Miss Hall was along the Chudleigh main road when she was hit by a vehicle. The driver did not stop. She was assisted to hospital for treatment but later succumbed to her injuries around 12:40 a.m. on Tuesday morning. The Christiana police have since commenced an investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.